Okay, so this is a bonus video. I know I'm always doing like these random like intro videos from the kitchen. It's because in the morning I already recorded the content, and then in the morning I'm like, oh, I didn't do an intro. Either way it go. So my name is Chloe. I teach airbrush. I've been doing airbrush for 10 years, been doing nails for 21 years, and I am showing you how you can use the French stencils any kind of way when you're doing airbrush nails. Now, these nails that you're going to watch next, great for weddings. Like these can definitely be weddings, because what you're going to end up doing is you're going to airbrush, you're also going to chrome, and you're also going to stamp, all with the French stencils. I don't want you to get excited, but you probably should get excited because I ain't never ever seen nobody else do this type of look. Airbrushing, period. And this is something that my students have learned from me in my one-on-one classes and in my online classes. So I'm pretty much giving you a little something that typically only my students will get from me. So watch the video and then definitely comment below, are you going to try this? And I'm in San Antonio, so wedding season is coming up here. And wedding season is coming up because it's getting cooler, so they can have the outdoor weddings. That is the microwave. It is not my smoke detector. I'm an adult. I don't do that. So wedding season is coming up here. Also, like not prom, but homecoming. Like you could achieve that with this. So there's a lot of different opportunities to use this airbrush nail look. It's super quick, super easy, and only requires a limited amount of supplies. So go ahead and watch this video, and then yeah, let me know what you think. You thought I was done with the French, and I'm definitely not. So I got these tips from, I'm going to find where I got it from, and I'll make sure I link everything that I use at the bottom. I'm going to hit them with a little ombre. It is like a European, not a pipe shape, but I think like an almond. Either way it go, we're going to need some gel, a stamper, some chrome, a little burnishing tool, and of course our stamping plate. Now, what I do is I take the French stencils after I've already done my airbrush ombre with the acrylic airbrush paint, and I apply them to the nail. Then I reach over and I grab that stamping plate and that gel from earlier. This gel is from Blue Amethyst. I'll link everything. I like her gels because you can chrome over them, and you just need a little gel to do it. And her gel works great because it dries, it cures tack free. So I do the French on the tip of all of them, stamping it, scraping it, and then curing it. And then I go ahead and add my chrome in over top. Like, this is like a super cute look. Picture this doing some wedding nails on your client. Chef's kiss. Like, they would literally freak out. After you do all of this, you remove your French stencil and boom, hit them with the fire. Sorry for singing. Either way it go, I did all of this on these little tips. Then I went ahead and did my complete base coat over it, cure, and then top coat. And this is the final look. Will you try this look? How you like the French?